Hey, this is Matt. A few months back I released a video about some repairs being done to my 1999 Toyota Camry, and back then it just needed some brakes, but I went into the whole video about how to know when you should just keep repairing your old car or when it's time to get a new car and my opinions on that. So back then I just decided to put the new brakes on the car, keep it running, keep it going as long as I can. Fast forward to today, December 2019, my car needed a smog check because it's due in the early part of January. So I took my car to my trusted mechanic, and now my check engine light has been on all year, and I told him that, so we couldn't do the test yet. He needed to diagnose what was going on with the check engine light. Lo and behold, there was a couple things that needed to be fixed, some temperature gauge, something, and another thing, and that was going to be $400. So he fixed that. I picked up my car. He said, okay, you're going to have to drive it for a few days so that you can reset the computer on your smog check system, and then we'll test it out. Well, I'd only driven my car a couple days and my check engine light went back on again. So there's something else going on, obviously, with my whole smog system. So at this point, I'm already $400 in, but I'm thinking, all right, if another fix needs to be done for my smog system to make it pass the test, how much is that going to be? Is it going to be another $300 or $400? Do I really want to spend that much? Add to that the fact that it's been about 2 years since I've had some major repair work done on my car. So I've been really lucky. I haven't had any major expenses associated with it, but I know something's coming quickly down the line. I just feel it. Something's going to happen. The fuel pump's going to go out. The water pump may go out. The transmission may go out. I may need to get a new clutch. I don't know. But with these possibilities swinging in my head, I got to think, okay, now do I really want to keep this car? Do I want to put more money into getting the smog system checked out and fixed to pass the test, just to drive it a few more months only to have something else break down on the car? After all is said and done, I decided I don't want to put more money into this car. So I went out and bought a new 2019 model of a Honda Accord, and I'm really happy with the price I got on that. Now, as far as my Toyota, I found out I could turn it into the state of California and get $1,000 back because there's a program, Cars for Cash, that was revived again, and I can turn in that car, get $1,000 for it. As long as the car is running, it has to be able to move under its own power to the return place wherever California designates that I return it to, a certain station. And then also I have to show that it failed the smog test. And so I got to go pay for a smog test just to have it fail. And then I have that in my hand. I drive my car in to the state of California place where I drop it off. I do some online paperwork, submit that, and I should get $1,000 back for my old car. I'll document that here most likely, and I'll share it with you. I'll share my experience on that one, and hopefully it'll turn out just great, and I'll get that $1,000, and I could show you that $1,000 check at some time in the future. I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. I appreciate you watching. Click to subscribe if you can. I'd appreciate that as well. Have a great day.